guys, welcome back to the kitchen. In today's video, I'll be making Bailey's bundt cake with a Bailey's red velvet glaze. So if you like these types of videos, just keep watching.
The following ingredients will be used for the cake. I've preheated my oven to 325 degrees. I'll then spray my pan with nonstick spray and add a little flour to evenly coat it. Now I'll whisk the eggs together, and I've always taken out that little tail to the end, but recently I found out that that tail is called a chalaise. It's what holds the egg together, so I learned that today. And it's also okay to actually eat the chalaise, but I think that the Caribbean in me just says you need to remove it. If you remove this part of the egg, just let me know why in the comment section below. Now I'll combine the dry ingredients along with the whisked eggs and mix it in a stand mixer for about 2 minutes or until well combined. The first step is now complete. Now I'll add the Irish cream and the vanilla extract and mix that until well combined. I'll now add the batter to my pan and smoothen it with a spatula and then place it in the oven for 55 to 60 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. The cake is in the oven, so I'll use the following ingredients to make the red velvet glaze. I've placed a saucepan on a medium-low heat. I'll then add all of my ingredients and mix well until smooth. The cake is out of the oven, So I'll poke some holes and infuse it with some of the red velvet glaze. If you try this recipe, you can infuse your cake with a little or a lot. The choice is all yours. Now let's add that red velvet glaze. Plating time! This cake is even better the next day. There you have it, guys. Bailey's bundt cake with a Bailey's red velvet glaze. I hope you give this a try. A list of all the ingredients and quantities will be listed in the description box below. And as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell so you get notified every Friday when I post. Bye!